Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 2-year-old boy gifts is probably one of the most sought-after gift guides for parents and loved ones, as selecting the perfect present for a 2-year-old boy requires careful consideration of their developmental stage, interests, and safety. This video will explore some of the best-selling and highly rated gifts on Amazon Prime, offering a curated selection to simplify your search and help you find that perfect gift that sparks joy, encourages learning, and fosters creativity in a little man's life. Number 5. PREXTEX RC Cartoon Cars. Get ready for double the fun. We've got 2 exciting remote control cars, a police car and a race car, ready to roll. Check out these awesome toy cars. They're packed with features like flashing lights, fun sounds, and even removable action figures. These cars are super easy to drive. Each one has a simple remote with just 2 buttons, forward and reverse, perfect for toddlers. Just add batteries, not included, and you're ready for hours of indoor or outdoor fun. It's that simple. Looking for a fun and engaging gift? These durable and safe RC cars are perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. These cars are built tough and designed with safety in mind, ensuring hours of imaginative play for your little ones. What we like. It's a 2-pack of remote control cars, each with simple controls perfect for little hands. The cars have fun sounds and flashing lights, making playtime extra exciting. If you're looking for a simple yet engaging gift for a toddler, this is it. What people say. The set includes a police car and a race car, each with its own remote control operating on different frequencies. This means both cars can be raced together without any interference, making playtime even more exciting and interactive. The cars are also very sturdy and well-made, standing up to the rough play of a toddler without any issues. Another great feature is the simplicity of the remote controls. They are easy for little hands to grasp and use, which helps my grandson develop his motor skills and coordination. Number 4. Dino-Buddy Toddler Backpack. It's more than just a backpack, it's a passport to fun. Watch your little explorer carry their favorite dinosaur and all their essentials. Looking for that special something? This makes a fantastic birthday or holiday present for any young dinosaur enthusiast. It's the gift that keeps on giving. With adjustable straps and a sturdy zipper, it's designed for little hands and big adventures. Plus, it's the perfect size for toddlers. The included dinosaur is super soft and cuddly, and it easily attaches and detaches from the backpack. It's a friend they can take everywhere. Made with durable, child-safe materials, this backpack is built to withstand even the most energetic play. It's ready for any adventure. From day trips to playtime, this backpack is perfect for keeping your little one's essentials organized and their dinosaur friend close by. It's the ultimate travel companion. What we like. This isn't just a backpack, it comes with a cute, removable dinosaur toy. It's the perfect size for toddlers, and the padded straps ensure comfortable carrying. If your little one loves dinosaurs and needs a fun, practical gift, this is a great choice. What people say. It has become a really important part of traveling to visit Nana and Poppy. It gives him more independence when choosing what to bring. The Dino is large, but not scary. The colors are vibrant, and the zipper is easy for him to use by himself. The wheels are easy to remove and put back on, making it an easy transition between mobile and backpack. It is a very nice wheelie backpack. Perfect size for my 2- and 3-year-olds. It has side pockets for her cup, etc. The inside can be wiped out in case of accidents. It's big enough for a change of clothes and pamper. Or smaller items like small toys for an outing if you don't want to carry a larger diaper bag. The dinosaur can also be removed for a cuddly stuffed toy. Number 3. Move 2 Play Soccer Ball. Introducing the Move 2 Play Soccer Ball, a fun and interactive toy for toddlers and young children. It's designed to make learning soccer fun and engaging for kids. It's packed with smart sensors. It recognizes shots, passes, dribbles, and kicks, responding with fun sounds and music. Get ready for laughter. It features 40+ sound effects, including fun sound effects like Monster Boot and GOALLL. Designed for both boys and girls aged 2 and up, it's a great way to get kids active and engaged in sports. Made from machine-washable plush material, it's super soft and gentle on little ones. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Give the gift of active play. It's a great way to get kids moving and away from screens. Batteries are included. What we like. This interactive soccer ball reacts to how it's kicked, with fun sounds and music. It's made of soft, plush material, safe for indoor and outdoor play. If you want a gift that encourages active play and screen-free fun, this is ideal. What people say. Soft for in the home. Fun sayings. Enjoyed by a 2-year-old. My grandson is 2 and loves this football. It's soft and perfect size for him to hold, throw, and catch. It's sound activated but not loud. Brightly colored, interactive toy. Has animal sounds, numbers and short songs to focus the attention. Number 2. Wooden racetrack car ramp racer. This toddler toy is made of high-quality, non-toxic wood and meets the strictest safety standards. It's designed to be durable and safe for even the youngest children. Watch the 4 bright cars race down the ramps from the top parking lot. It's fun and helps develop visual tracking skills. Plus, it teaches little ones how to tidy up. It's compact, easy to store, and perfect for indoor or outdoor play. This makes it an ideal present for any occasion. This simple toy helps develop hand-eye coordination, attention span, and even cooperation skills. It's all about fun and learning. The ramps are sized perfectly for toddlers aged 1 to 2. Your child's safety and happiness are our top priorities. What we like. This wooden racetrack is not only durable and safe but also beautifully designed. It's a great way to encourage hand-eye coordination and imaginative play. If you are looking for a high-quality, educational toy, this is perfect. What people say. This product is extremely easy to use. This keeps my son entertained for a while. Any age 1+ would be able to use this product. It is highly durable and super cute. My 18-month-old could not love this more. He loves all things cars, but this ramp is so fun for him. He played with it all Christmas morning. Great cause and effect play. Seems durable. For little ones that play with toy cars, this is a perfect gift. The quality sturdiness will survive little hands. Number 1. 9-pack transport truck toy set. Get ready for adventure with this exciting 9-pack of toy vehicles. It's perfect for imaginative play and developing coordination skills. Made from durable, child-safe plastic, it's built to last through countless hours of fun. Always supervise young children during playtime. This set includes 9 different vehicles, from a plane to a school bus. Each one is brightly colored and ready for action. Some vehicles have removable parts for even more fun, sparking creativity and problem-solving skills. No batteries needed. Just pull it back and watch it go. It's simple enough for toddlers to operate independently. This toy set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Watch their faces light up with joy. What we like. This set includes a large carrier truck and 8 smaller pullback cars, a whole fleet of vehicles for imaginative play. No batteries are needed, making it simple and convenient. If your child loves cars and trucks, this is a fantastic gift. What people say. Perfect set for the toddler who loves construction vehicles. My grandson has fun loading and unloading the vehicles. Quality product. Each piece is crafted with attention to detail and vibrant colors that immediately catch the eye. The variety of vehicles, from a truck with a trailer to an airplane, provides endless fun and encourages imaginative play. They're the perfect size for little hands, promoting fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The durability is impressive. Despite the countless drops and rough play, each piece remains intact and safe for my son. Very colorful and sturdy, perfect for toddlers. Thick plastic and fun for them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.